How to blur video background in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up CapCut on your device. Then tap on new project. Now select the video which you have your face clearly seen. Then tap on it at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the clip. Now at the bottom menu, simply find duplicate. Simply tap on it. Now at the bottom menu, simply tap on overlay. Now drag it to the start. Now select the first clip, then tap on effects, then tap on body effect. Now search for blur, then tap on search. Now select the blur effect. Now apply the effect, then tap on next. Now select the second clip. Now at the bottom menu simply scroll to the right. Then tap on remove background. Then tap on auto removal. Now once you remove the background from the video, you will get a blur effect in the background. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.